By selling an article for rupees 24, a trader loses as much percentage as the cost price of the article. Calculate the cost price. We need to calculate cost price. This is the question. You are only given selling price, that is 24. When you sell an item for 24 rupees, your loss percentage and your cost price are same. That's what I understood from the question. Okay, so how do you calculate loss?
CP minus SP.
So I am going to consider this as X. Okay, because this is unknown. We don't know what is the cost price. So I am just taking X as the cost price. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Formula would be 100 plus profit or gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. This is how you will write for SP, okay, for profit. But in this case, we have loss. So SP is 24. You write SP is 24 equal to 100 minus loss percentage is X divided by 100 into X. Okay, so what do I do? 2,400. Taking 100 from the denominator to the other side equal to X into 100 minus X. This gives me 100X minus X square, which can be written as I am bringing everything to this side, okay? It will give me X square minus 100X plus 2,400 equal to 0. We have to think of the factors. And yeah, it is going to be 60 and 40. So P comma Q has to be negative 60 comma negative 40, because negative 60 plus negative 40 gives you negative 100, which is the B. Okay, so I'll be writing, so answer is going to be X square minus 60X plus, no, not plus, minus itself, minus 40X plus 2,400 equal to 0. So X out, X minus 60 minus 40 out, X, this must be, yeah, 60 itself equal to 0. So X minus 60 into X minus 40 equal to 0. So X is equal to 60 or X is equal to 40. Both will give us whether if you are taking cost price as 60 or cost price as 40, you will get the same condition. That's what they are saying. So both are valid answers. Next question. The sum S of first n natural numbers is given by the relation S is equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. Okay, so n is first n natural numbers. N is, we need to find n, as they have not given you the n. Sum is given as 276. 276 is equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. This 2, you take it to this side and multiply. I'm getting 552. This side is n square plus n. So make it a quadratic equation, n square plus n minus 552 equal to 0. So one number is positive and one number is negative. So we can, if nothing is coming in your mind, just go ahead and factorize. So you get 276, again factorize, you get 138. 138. Again, if I factorize by 2, what do I have? 6 and 9. 69, how can I factorize? I can factorize with 3 only. So I'm getting what?
23.
23, yes. So now 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 6 into 4 is 24. Yes, so this is how you can factorize. So 24 and 23 are coming. P comma Q are, both are, one is bigger one, 24 is positive and 23 is negative. So take it as n square plus 24n minus 23n minus 552 equal to 0. Yeah, so n out, n plus 24 minus 23 out, you have n plus 24 equal to 0. So n plus 24 out and n minus 23 equal to 0. So n equal to minus 24 or n equal to 23. So your final n is going to be 23 as n cannot be negative. N equal to negative 24 you cannot consider because n is a negative. That n equal to negative 24 is a negative number. A two-digit number is such that the products of its digit is 6. When 9 is added, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Let x be the digit in units place, be the digit in units place, and y be the digit in tens place. Then you will write y into 10 plus x. This is how the number is y into 10 plus x, or 10y plus x is going to be your number. Okay. Then what is it that they have given? Such that the product of its digits is 6. So what is given to you is just x into y is 6. This is what is known to you. Why this information is given is because x into y equal to 6 means you can find what is y. Y is 6 divided by x. When 9 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. That's our equation. Okay, that is what we are going to make now. So 9, what is your original number? Y into 10 plus x plus 9. So when 9 is added to the number, the digits interchange. So what will I write here? Digits interchange means it will become 10x plus y. Okay. Now, what do I have? 10y plus x plus 9 equal to 10x plus y. Now, I will just simplify this, and in the place of y, I will substitute. So, what do I have? Y I am taking to this side, x I am taking to this side. So I have 9y plus 9 equal to 9x. Okay, so I'm just going to divide by 9, y plus 1 equal to x. Now put y equal to 6 by x. So I am having 6 by x plus 1 equal to x. I can actually bring that x to this side. That will be better. So I will write it as 6 by x plus 1 minus x equal to 0, which will be 6 plus x minus x square equal to 0. Okay, the denominator I am after supplying the denominator to each and every other term, I am taking the denominator to the other side. Now factorize x square minus x minus 6, that is simple factorization. You have x minus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 0, which is x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2. So we don't consider negative numbers. So I'll take only x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, y would be 6 by 3, okay, which is 2. Therefore, the required number is x comes in the units place, y comes in the tens place. So 23 is the required number. Okay, next question is a motorboat whose speed is 9 km per hour in still water goes 12 km downstream and comes back in a total time of 3 hours. Find the speed of the stream. So there is a boat which is going downstream. Downstream is assuming that this is this direction. So 9 km per hour is the speed of the boat. Okay. So 9 km per hour is the speed of the boat. So when you say downstream, the stream has a speed, right? So stream will have some speed. So what is that speed? We don't know what is that speed. So that stream is, we have to take it as x kilometer per hour. So that is the speed of the stream. So what will be the total speed of the boat then? Or the total speed of the journey is going to be? It's like speed of the boat downstream is going to be 9 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, while it comes upstream means it will be minus because the flow is in the opposite direction. So the upstream speed is going to be 9 minus x. Okay. So that you have to remember. Speed of the boat upstream is going to be 9 minus x. Again, it's kilometer per hour. Now, what is both traveling up and down? It takes 3 hours. Total time of the journey is 3 hours. So how do you write this? So the time taken, total time means what? Total time is time taken to go downstream plus time taken to travel upstream. So distance 12 kilometer. Distance is given as 12 kilometer. So what you need to write distance divided by speed. That will be 12 divided by 9 plus x plus 12 divided by 9 minus x is 3. Got it? Now let's 3 is common, so divide by 3. You have 4 by 9 plus x plus 4 by 9 minus x equal to 1. So 4 into 9 minus x plus 4 into 9 plus x equal to 9 plus x into 9 minus x. Let's have 36 minus 4x plus 36 plus 4x equal to 81 minus x square. Now bring everything to this side. Minus 4x and plus 4x is cancelled out. So x square, there is no x term now. X square, right? Minus 81 plus 72 equal to 0 is 9 equal to 0. So x is plus or minus 3, is it not? X is actually plus or, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So x is plus or minus 3, but we will consider only x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. We are not considering negative speed. Okay, negative velocity I'm not considering. So only this we will consider. So therefore, speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. 5 years ago, a woman's age was the square of her son's age. 10 years hence, her age will be twice of her son's age. Find the age of the son 5 years ago, the present age of the son. Age of the son 5 years ago, we have taken it as x minus 5 because present age we are taking as x. So what will be age of the woman 5 years ago? That's going to be, they said it's going to be square of her son's age. Square of her son's age means it is going to be x minus 5, the whole square. Okay. Now here the point is 10 years hence. Here what they meant by 10 years hence is from the present time, 10 years. 10 years from the current time. Okay, so from 5 years ago, it will be 10 plus 5, which is 15 years. From the present time, next after 10 years. From the present time after 10 years. Age of the sun after 10 years. That's going to be x plus 10. Okay, because current age, okay, present age of sun is x. Okay, and what is the age of the sun after 10 years? That is x plus 10. What is age of the women after 10 years? That's going to be 2 times x plus 10. X minus 5 the whole square. Women's age after 10 years. Okay, after 10 years is what we are going to equate. So x minus 5 whole square plus 15. From that time, 15 years will pass. Okay, when I'm talking about next, after 10 years, it is plus 15 is what you will have to do. This is equal to 2 times x plus 10. X square minus 10x plus 25 plus 15 equal to 2x plus 20, which would be x square minus 10x plus 40 minus 2x minus 20 equal to 0, which would be x square minus 12x plus 20 equal to 0. And we have x minus 10, and the factors are x minus 10 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So x can be 10 or 2. We cannot consider 2 because 5 years before it is going to be a negative number, right? If I am taking x as 2, what is x? Present age of sun. Present age of sun is 10. We cannot consider present age of sun as 2 because if just imagine 2 minus 5 is minus 3. We can't, that sun is not even born at that time when we are considering 5 years back story. Okay, so we cannot consider 2. So we will take only present age of sun as 10. So question here is the age of the sun 5 years ago. So what is age of the sun? Age of the sun 5 years ago is going to be 10 minus 5, which is 5 years. Similarly, the present age of the woman. What is the present age of the woman? The present age of the woman is, we will calculate it as 5 square plus 5, because this is age before 5 years, right? Age before 5 years is 5 square. Current age is, this is the, after that 5 years pass. So it is going to be 25 plus 5, which is 30 years. So this is the final answer.